Forward reverse circuit. Today I'm gonna show you how to simulate a forward reverse circuit. First thing you need to do is to multi-test each control circuit. The next step is to connect the circuit breaker to the magnetic contactor. After connecting the circuit breaker to the magnetic contactor, I connected the magnetic contactor to the overload relay. Next is to connect the overload relay to the motor using the Y circuit. This is needed in order for the current to pass through from the source to magnetic contactor to overload relay and to the motor. Now, I am going to connect the circuit breaker to the source, and we'll try to check if my circuit works or not. So as you can see, the motor is turning when I press the magnetic contactor. Next is to connect magnetic contactor 2 to magnetic contactor 1. Next is to connect line 1 to overload relay number 95. Next is to connect the overload relay number 96 to a normally closed switch which serves as your stop switch. Next is to connect the parallel of the normally closed switch, which is your stop, to the normally open switch, which serves as your forward switch. Next is to connect the parallel of forward switch to number 21 of magnetic contactor 2. Next is to connect the number 22 of magnetic contactor 2 to the A2 of magnetic contactor 1. Next is to connect A1 to line 2. Now we can check if our switches are working. So as you can see, I press the forward switch, which turns the motor forward or clockwise. The next step is to connect number 13 and 14 of magnetic contactor 1 to the forward switch, which is the normally open switch. Now let's check if our motor turns when I press the forward switch. So you can see motor turns. Now for the reverse. Find a normally open switch which serves as your reverse switch and connect it to magnetic contactor 1 number 21, and next connect number 22 to A2 of magnetic contactor 2. Next is to connect the A1 of magnetic contactor 2 to line number 2. Now let's check if all of my switches are working. So for the forward switch, as you can see, the motor turns clockwise. And when I press stop, it stops. Next is for the reverse switch. I press the reverse switch and the direction of the motor is in reverse. So therefore, I conclude that my switches or my simulation are working. Thank you for watching. I am Engine Mark Anthony Cañete, and I hope you enjoy the video.